All right, we're picking up right where we stopped off for video one. So if you didn't watch the first video for this week, you need to do that first. Here we go. Yes, sir. And don't think I've forgotten about this shambles. We'll talk about it when you get back. Yes, sir. Very good, sir. Holly turned to go, but Root cleared his throat for attention. Oh, and Captain Short. Yes, sir. Root's face had lost its purple tinge. He almost seemed embarrassed. Well done on the life-saving thing. Could have been worse. An awful lot worse. Holly beamed behind her visor. Perhaps she wouldn't be kicked out of recon after all. Thank you, sir. Root grunted, his complexion returning to its normal ruddy hue. Now get out of here, and don't come back until you're full to the tips of your ears with magic. Holly sighed. So much for gratitude. Yes, sir. On my way, sir. Well, that was a little bit silly, but that was the end of the chapter, so I needed to finish that off. And I'm limited to only 15 minutes per video. So I will continue with chapter 4 next week. I'm going to be posting a discussion post for what I just read out loud, and everyone who replies will get a really cool Schoology badge for their profile. So I hope you really enjoyed that, and I will talk to y'all soon. Bye.